Capital One and NX led scoring thrilling victories in the 2026 PVL All-Filipino Conference. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho has the report.
The 2026 PVL All-Filipino Conference continued with high-intensity matches yesterday at the Philoil Eco Oil Center in San Juan City. Capital One Solar Spikers opened their campaign behind a career high from Belen. After dropping the third set, Belen took over in the fourth, lifting Capital One when it mattered most. Belen unloaded a pro-career high 26 points as Capital One beat Zeus Coffee 25-17, 25-16, 15-25, 25-19. That is on top of her 16 digs and 7 excellent receptions in a statement performance.
Siguro po, inisip ko na lang kung paano pa ako makakapag-contribute pa sa team since may chance na kaming mapanalo yung game. So parang now or never na for us kasi pag rin kami pag hindi kami like nag-all out pa that set, meron pa silang chance makakuha sa amin.
Earlier, Next-led Chameleons showed championship composure, rallying past Farm Fresh Foxies in a 5-set thriller, 25-23, 13-25, 21-25, 25-15, 15-12. Packed with a former Petrogas core, Next-led was pushed to the limit by a Farm Fresh squad led by former Petrogas coach Koji Suzurabara. With Brooke Van Sickle now leading the Chameleons, the match quickly turned into a tense back-and-forth duel. Van Sickle finished with 20 points and 11 excellent receptions. Meanwhile, newcomer Myla Pablo made a strong debut with 19 points, while MJ Phillips added 13 to seal the win.
Well, syempre, you can see naman yung game na medyo yung mga lapses na nangyayari. Medyo kulang pa sa communication sa team. Pero kahit pa paano, andyan naman si coach na ginaguide kami sa loob ng board. Yun nga sabi nga ni coach na parang nahanap na din yung dapat kailangan gamitin the 4 sets. Pinakawakan talaga namin yung 4th and team sets na sa amin to. Pagkatrabuhan namin to hanggang sa mapagod gano'n.
Games continue this Thursday, February 5 at the Philoil Eco Oil Center in San Juan. Chocomucha Flying Titans finally meet the Sigel Super Spikers 4 p.m., followed by the Creamline Cool Smashers and PLDT High Speed Hitters Clash 6:30 p.m. Kapatid Denise Valdesancho, we are One News.